Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Melty Blood Community Edition online. To get started, you'll want the Community Edition of Melty Blood Actress Again Current Code, as it features excellent rollback netcode, which is crucial for smooth online matches. You'll also need CC Caster, the netplay client. Once you have these, joining a dedicated Melty Blood Discord server is your best bet for finding players and staying updated with the community. Setting up CC Caster is straightforward. First, extract the entire CC Caster archive directly into your Melty Blood Actress Again Current Code game folder, ensuring the CC Caster executable is alongside the game's executable. It's important to whitelist CC Caster in your antivirus and firewall to prevent any connection issues. After that, launch CC Caster and navigate to the Controls menu to set up your preferred gamepad or keyboard inputs for playing. Once CC Caster is configured, you're ready to play. To host a match, select NetPlay from the main menu, type 0 for the port, and press Enter. Your IP and port will be copied. Share this with your opponent. To join, simply paste the host's connection details into the same NetPlay section. After connecting, you can adjust rollback frames and input delay, typically starting with 3 rollback frames and 0 delay for good connections. For the best online experience, a wired internet connection is highly recommended. It provides much greater stability than Wi-Fi. Don't be afraid to experiment with rollback and input delay settings. A good starting point is 3 rollback frames and 0 delay, but adjust based on your connection to your opponent. Finally, actively use the Looking for Game channels in Melty Blood Discord servers to find players with good connections in your region.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.